Hello, I'm Adam from Proway. Today we are going to introduce our company's magnetic seal strips for you. We all know the function of the seal strip is to prevent water from penetrating outside the shower room while showering. Magnetic seal strip is made of co-extruded material with black soft magnetic receiver. This part is hard, it's connected with the glass door edge, and the sealing part is soft, not easy to fall off, glue-free installation, suitable for all kinds of thickness of the glass doors. 4mm, 6mm, 8mm, and 10mm and 12mm. Magnetic seal strips have very good sealing properties and come in many styles like 90 degrees, 135 degrees, 180 degrees, suitable for all kinds of different glass doors. The best-selling colors are white and black, conforms to a variety of modern home styles. It can be anti-slip and shock absorption to reduce door collision and to increase the service life of glass doors. As 24 years history, we can offer a wide range of seals made of various materials, such as PVC, rubber, silicone, rubber plastic, and at very competitive prices. The above is all of the information about our magnetic seal strips. If you want more product information, please contact us. Bye-bye.